This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got this Bezzera BZ13. This machine had some kind of oxidized metal in the boiler that was coming out here in the hot water, it left some like blue debris behind. And so I opened up the boiler from the heating element at the bottom of the machine and just cleaned out the whole boiler, got all of that debris from the inside, and then after that, just to make sure that we got everything out, I flushed the whole boiler a few times from the hot water tap. So I'm just going to show you now that the machine is clean. Hopefully you can see here that there's nothing blue in the water, even when we try to get it here. Just so you can see the bottom of the glass. There's no more blue in there. Alright, that's about it.